Good morning, guys. It is 6 o'clock in the morning, Sunday. Today we are starting out the competition by doing a 100-mile street drive. So this proves that your truck is actually a street truck. So that's what we're doing first thing. We should probably put our license plate on. Probably gonna need that. But we're gonna fire this baby up, get this thing warmed up, and get this day started. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Nope, crap. Grab the battery charger. Single battery life. Well, I know everyone is gonna give me a ton of crap, but one thing I may have overlooked is I probably should have put my heater core lines back on so we had some heat and defrost, which we do not because the heater core lines are not hooked up. So no heat and no defrost, which hopefully doesn't bite me in the butt and I'll be able to see. So sun's coming out. Hopefully we can get rid of this little frost and we'll be on our way for our 100-mile street drive. Alrighty, here we go. 100-mile street drive through Grandpa's field. Silent Mike bundled up because we got no heat. We're getting it done though. Update, we're still driving. We are currently trying not to check the trip, but we're 35 miles in. And I believe, who knows where we are, we're getting led through little school roads. We've probably been driving for about 50 minutes so far. So this is gonna be, it's gonna be a trip. Any words, Silent Mike?
Still cold.
Still cold? My feet are still cold. All right, well, slight update. We are 55 miles in. For some reason, when I let off the throttle, like I'm sure you guys can see that amount of smoke. When I get in it, it seems to be all right, but when I let off the throttle, we have got a ton of white smoke. So, yeah, we're not quite sure what that's all about, but we're gonna keep going. It is really cold, but that's a lot of white smoke. So who knows? Well, our smoke has gotten quite a bit worse. As you can see, that's all coming from my truck. Silent Mike and I have concluded, because it smells like oil, we kind of checked the turbo out yesterday. Everything kind of looked all right, but apparently not. We think the turbo's bad. Luckily, I think our man Cody from Fire Punk has a spare 76 in his trailer because we did not bring one. But looks like to carry on, we might be swapping a turbo. So that is our thoughts as of right now. We're almost back to the track. We've been driving like this for probably about 40 or 50 miles. We have 90 miles on the clock right now, so we're probably almost back to the track. So we're just kind of babying her back. Alrighty, guys. As expected, that is definitely hitting the cover. So we're gonna yank this baby off here quick, try and get ready for the sled pulls in an hour. So, hey girls. Good morning. We just drove 102 miles. Yay. All right, time to change the turbo. Get this knocked down. Michael, we forgot something. Center caps.
Oh shoot.
Okay, we gotta take the wheels and tires back off. Forgot the center caps. Alright guys, you know what this means. We are back in business. Going to get some fuel right before we start the dirt drags. I'll go ahead and shut it off.
Looks like we can rotate that cover a little more. It's rubbing on the shock.
Oh, is it? Just a little bit?
It's like a 1/4 inch away, but it's still rubbing the front. Probably when it's walking.
Yeah. She's still spinning. Yeah, just a little bit. All right, let's go get some fuel. Alrighty. Getting her filled up. Probably only gonna put about maybe like 10 gallons in it. Gotta keep her light on her toes. But if you guys can see, I'll show you guys a little bit better. There is oil dripping out of the stack. All right, let's see what 10 got us. All right, let's see how far up 10 gallons got us. Oh yeah, yeah, that's plenty. I got half a tank now. All right, so we are good to go. Already got the sled hitch in there, rocking the sled pulling wheels and tires. Yeah, we got oil coming out of the stack. There was a ton of oil. When we got back, it was actually like a gallon low. It was pushing that much oil. So yeah, it was pretty bad for pretty decent amount of time. But we made it. We got credit for the street drive section of the competition. So we just got fuel. We're gonna go get some Wendy's. We're gonna go through the drive-through with this bad boy, and then we're gonna head back. We got a couple little things that we need to tweak, but should be good for the dirt drags and the sled pulling. I know this was kind of like unexpected. I'm probably gonna break this into a separate video. We're gonna do the sled pulling and dirt drags probably in a separate video, so I'll probably do this video separate. But huge thank you to obviously our man Mr. Silent Mike, my dad, Johnny from Stainless Diesel. He ran and got us oil from, I forget your name, I apologize. I'm gonna put it right here, I'm gonna find out. Huge thank you to him for the oil. Huge thank you to the guys at Fire Punk, Cody, for letting me borrow his spare 76. Hopefully we will not hurt it too bad. If we do, we'll just go buy it. But that's gonna do it for this video. Stay tuned for the next video. That will be the sled pulling and dirt drags. For now, we're gonna go get Wendy's. We're gonna end this video here, guys. Stay tuned for the next video for the sled pulling and dirt drags. We're just making a couple adjustments down here. This intercooler pipe's kind of hitting a wire, so we just gotta make a couple tweaks and we'll be good to go. And yeah, we're back in it. So that's it. Thanks, guys. See you later.